the unboxing of the ASUS TUF-F15 15.6-inch gaming laptop powered by the NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card. So this is what the box looks like. There is a large logo on top with the TUF laptop logo. Over here you can see the TUF laptop written right over here. Let's quickly check for any extra information. Alright, there's not much, to be very fair. You see there's some manufacturing information on this side, and that's more or less it. So let's just open this box and take a look at the laptop itself. So here we are, this is the laptop. Let me just take it out. The other chargers. Very carefully, you have to do this. And these are your documents. Let's quickly check if there's something else in the box. No, that's more or less it. All the components are right over here. I'll put this box aside. This box here and take a look at these components. We have a registration note from ASUS. I'll leave this over here. Then we have a quick setup guide from TUF Gaming. I'm going to leave this over here as well. And finally, this is the user guide for the TUF-15 laptop. This is the charging cable for the TUF-15. This is a 250 volt charging cable. Yes, this is a 250 volt charging cable. I'll give you a closer look. And we also have a power brick. Okay, this is a 200 watt power brick from ASUS. That's a pretty substantially big power brick. Let's take a look at the laptop now. So this is the TUF-F15, the 15.6-inch gaming laptop. You see the TUF logo right over here, and there's another logo over here as well. This is obviously a gaming inspired laptop. You can see from the design itself. On the underside there are 4 anti-skid stops and also a lot of fans and ventilations. On the side over here you have some ports. Let's quickly take a look. On this side you have, there you can see primarily 2 USB-A ports over here and a couple of vents. There is a USB-C type port, a 3.5mm aux cable, USB-A port, an HDMI port and a LAN port as well. And finally this is your power port. To read this over here. And now let's take a lock inside. I'm going to remove this protective layer. And this is it. This is what the interior of the laptop looks like. And you can see this is not a full keyboard. This is a 10 keyless keyboard. However, the WASD are different because ultimately this is a gaming laptop. So the WASD are the keys that you'll be using. That's why the design is slightly different. It's a great addition, by the way. There are a couple of stickers on this side. Let me give you a closer look. As you can see, this particular laptop runs on the GeForce RTX, the 3060 in fact, and also runs on the Intel Core i7 processor. Okay, there's the display has a refresh rate of 240 Hz, 16 GB DDR4, 3200 megahertz RAM. So that's also there. Let me show you the display really quickly. There you can see. I'm going to turn it on and show you the display. There, in search of incredible, it's written over there. This is a 240 Hz refresh rate display, so which means this is perfect for gaming. That coupled with the 3060 graphics card means that you can basically play a lot of games that will come out not only this year but the next 2-3 years as well. And also notice the very thin bezel on each side, so that's a nice touch as well. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the ASUS TUF-F15 15.6-inch gaming laptop powered by the NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics card. Thank you for watching.